How to activate your JCPenny credit card account online. Hi everybody, welcome back to the channel. In today's video I will simply guide you through the steps on how you can actually activate your JCPenny credit card account online, so make sure to watch the video till the end. In order to activate your JCPenny credit card account online, all you have to do is simply open up your browser and then just search for activate JCPenny credit card. When you search for activate JCPenny credit card, you'll find the first link that says JCPenny Mastercard, activate your new card. So you want to make sure to click on the first link here. If you want, I will make sure to leave this link in the description box where you can directly click on it, and then you land on this page which you see that says ready to activate. Let's do it. So it says activate your JCPenny Mastercard. All you need to do is simply make sure to actually enter your card number over here. Once you make sure to enter your card number, make sure to simply enter the 3-digit security code of your card. Once you make sure to enter that, make sure to also enter the last 4 digits of your social security number. Once you enter all this information and then you click on the activate my card button, if your details are correct, your JCPenny credit or Mastercard will be successfully activated. This is simply how you can activate your JCPenny credit card account online. We hope the video was really helpful, and if it did help you, make sure to leave a like and subscribe to the channel. If you have got any questions, feel free to leave them down. Thank you very much for watching and see you in the next video.